Got this bracket here. I just cut that off out of the bottom. I need to replace that. I have a piece to go in there. That's the bracket that's in the back here by the trunk, or well, the back seat, under the back seat. And so it goes over and connects to the inner rocker panel. And so I got an end for it. You can buy the end, so I'm going to put an end on it. So, and then I'll put a new piece of floor over. So that's what I'm up to today. Working on a 57 again today. Working back here along the inner of the, I don't know what you call it, the back quarter panel, I guess, where the quarter glass goes on this sedan. I got this piece tacked in there, you can see, but then I've taken the bracket out. And so getting ready to put a new piece on, new end on. As you can see, I got the brace up in there. I have the bottom side propped up with a jack stand, and then I'm just going to try to close that gap up just a tad more. And I think I got to do that by bringing it up a little bit. So that's what we're going to try. Bring this end up and see if I can get that gap closed. Well, I have it brace or end of the brace welded on, and I think it's good enough for now, and I think it's going to be close to where it needed to be. I can bend that, manipulate that flange if I have to a little bit, that flange that's down here, to go to the inner rocker, but at least it gives me a point of reference, and hopefully we can get her going here. So, but that's all on this brace installment section.